Arrivederci. It's travel day.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so from that opening, can you all tell where we are or where we're headed? Come on, what do you think? Guesses? Right.
Right, over there.
We're in JFK now in New York. We already left Atlanta this morning, but we are headed to Rome, Italy.
Yes, we are.
For a couple of days. So we're going to take you along with us, of course, so you can see where we're going to get into during our visit in Rome. So it's going to be funny. This is going to be a two-part. This is a land and sea content that we're going to be putting together. First two parts are going to be here on TNO On The Go, because it's going to be everything on our land trips. We're going to be going to the Amalfi Coast, Postano, Rome. So you'll get to see all of that. But you have to make sure you are subscribed to us on We Do Travel, because we also are going to be doing an 11-day Mediterranean cruise that's going to take us to Greece, Turkey, and then back to Italy again. So stay tuned. We got some stuff to bring you.
Yes, we do. Arrivederci.
Roll your tongue. See you guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, so dinner has arrived. Let's see what we have here. So I have the vegetarian plate. Here is a chickpea, cucumber, and tomato salad. Let's try it. Looks good. This must be a Delta Airlines staple. Same salad we had in October when we were on our way to Cannes. It's really good. It's a perfect amount of brininess. The creaminess from the chickpea. It's a good balance. My entree is the cheese ravioli with the cream sauce and zucchini. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. You're welcome. Look at the cheese ball. That's good. Oh, the sauce is really good. Tasty. So I got the vegetarian meal. Otis got the chicken meal. It sounds good too. So let's see his.
All right. So I got the same chickpea pasta that Trina got, and the Ever Roll, Ever Blondie, and I also have, I have the chicken. It's actually pretty good. It has the green beans and vegetables and stuff, and mashed potatoes, but it's pretty good. Alright. I'm going to enjoy this, and we'll see y'all later.
So, dessert is a lemon blondie. I feel like we had this last time on our way to France last year too. Wasn't it? Did we have the blondie?
Yeah, we had the blondie. It was good too.
It's so lemony, the smell. It's really good. It has like chunks of white chocolate. It's like chunks of white chocolate in there. It's tart. It's really good. I'm so full. That pasta was so filling. It's so creamy and garlicky. It's really good. We'll save this for later though. What you think? You like it?
I'm not saving mine for later. I'm gonna knock this out. But it is good though. It's not enough. It's like the size of a chicken nugget. But it's good though.
Now we need to go to sleep so we won't have a jet lag as bad. So it's 15 to 8 now. We get there at 7 o'clock in the morning. you all. I think it's like 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're having breakfast calzone. We've actually had this before when I read at Cannes last year, so I think they need to get a new menu. It's okay. It's heavy. It's a lot of basil. It's a lot of basil and oregano, but it's egg and cheese. It also comes with some yogurt.
Okay, do it again.
So they let us out to Burbank, and there's going to be shuttle buses that's going to take us to the airport. So we didn't get our sleep like we thought we were going to do. I wasn't able to sleep. You slept a little bit.
I dozed.
Yeah, we didn't get a lot of sleep, so it happens.
Yeah.
We'll catch up. We're here. Nice. Yeah, we're doing Amalfi Coast tomorrow and
The next day,
Fasano.
I'm still wearing the same clothes.
We're doing, do it via.
I'm tired.
Just your fingers. Tell them just your fingers, Dad. Just your fingers.
We made it.
Just put your hand on there.
Now we got to get the stage playing as soon as my parents can get through.
I don't know where he is. Maybe he's still
We're just waiting. Hopefully he didn't catch Trina on the mic talking about just your fingers, just your fingers.
Just your fingers. There needs to be a little bit more direction.
Yeah.
But we made it. We made it through.
We made it. We just gotta wait on mommy.
Trying to see which gate our baggage is on. So we made it. Okay, so you all saw that we made it to Rome, but oh my gosh, we were so tired when we got to this room. We have showered, taken a nap, but I wanted you to see this. First of all, there's a fire or something going on over here, but it's right in our hotel. We have this huge, this nice sized balcony, and you see Vatican City right from it. So, and then there's a fire going on, but we'll let you see that. And we hear a lot of emergency services going over to that fire. I don't know what's going on over there, but that's Vatican City right there.
If you can see it through the smoke on camera.
We're about to go downstairs. My in-laws, Otis' parents, are here with us, so I'm so excited. So they're going to be on this trip with us. And so we are going to do a little shopping to go look for a suitcase, go and get some dinner, and then we're going to come back and we're going to go to sleep because we have to be up very early in tomorrow morning for another big tour. But we made it. We really like this hotel. So we're going to do a full tour of this hotel so you all can see it. It's outside of the city now. It's not right in the city, in the middle of Rome. It's about 30 minutes from the airport. Mm-hmm. But so far so good. It's great. It's great so far. But we'll do a full tour of this. But come on, let's go get some luggage and go. We're taking a cab there and get some food and see what else we can see before we come back and be comatose until tomorrow morning.
Definitely comatose. I took a nap and I didn't want to wake up. But all right, we'll see you guys later.
More to come. So we made it to the
In casa.
into the furniture. Well, like you say, furniture store, suitcase store. It's hot out here, but it's not. There's no humidity, so it's like a nice, almost comforting hot to me. So let's see. Let's do a little shopping in Rome.
So where we are is called In Casa. It's looks like an everything store. We'll see what they have.
In the northwest pocket of Rome, we stayed at the Courtyard by Marriott Rome Central Park. It turned out to be really pleasant. It's a modern 4-star property just steps away from the railway station. With 162 rooms, the Moscati Restaurant, wine bar, rooftop terrace, it stakes a nice balance between business-ready polish and genuine comfort. The Moscati Restaurant leans into Mediterranean cooking. Fresh, seasonal, unfussy in the best way, served in a sophisticated but relaxed setting. They have a well-equipped fitness center, and the conference center is a modern digital venue outfitted with an LED wall, a video wall, and 24-hour business center, and meeting rooms built for real work. And then there was room 502, spacious, spotless, and finished with those touches like a marble bathroom, deluxe bedding, a smart TV, everything laid out just right. When you step out on the balcony from our room, the dome of the St. Peter's Basilica was right there on the horizon. And Vatican City, framed like a postcard. So that's our room tour. We're gonna go down and get something to eat. See you in a little bit.
So I am having the ravioli with shrimp and scallops. And it's so decorative on the plate. Oh, it's really good. It's full of seafood. It's a creamy sweet sauce, but it's really good.
So I have basically steak and asparagus with sweet onion puree. Yeah, that's that. Mom got the same thing and Dad's got a hamburger. And usually I'm not an asparagus fan, but the asparagus is pretty good.
All right, everybody, that's a wrap. Thank you for flying out to Rome with us. And remember, tune in next week where we're going to tour the Amalfi Coast and Positano. Join us at We Do Travel for all of our cruise content, where we're going to be on the Celebrity Ascent, touring the Mediterranean. And if you like our content, please like, comment, hype, and subscribe. This is TNO on the go. Thanks for watching.